I know that I get lots of viewers who look at this just for my great stunning fashion sense, so I hope you appreciate that I dressed up for this particular video. Today what we're going to show you is a very simple fix on the tailgate of a car. If you have a tailgate like this one, which is heavy to lift despite it just being small, and it doesn't stay up very easily, or it doesn't stay up at all, one of or both of your struts have failed. I can hear these moving, so I think it's only one of them that's failed. It's very easy to change them, and all you need is a little flat screwdriver. We got these ones from our local auto factors. Just give them your car registration and they'll make sure that you get the right struts. So you could say this job involves using your head. It's quite handy being quite tall because you can hold the tailgate up with it. But if you haven't got a tall thick head like mine, then just get someone to give you a hand to hold the tailgate while you do this. All you do, take your flat bladed screwdriver, put it underneath this little spring clip and prise it out. It doesn't need to come right off, but if it does then it's not a problem. And pull the ball off. When you do that, the tailgate gets very heavy, which is why you need a tall person and a thick head to hold it up. The other end is done exactly the same way. So we can trim that one, and straight away, because we've got it handy, we get the new one and just push it on. We'll do exactly the same at the other end. Push it on. It's nice and firm. Now it still doesn't hold up because that was a good strut. This one is obviously an knackered one. You'll find when I change that, it'll be tickety-boo. So the other one is exactly the same. Put our screwdriver in, prise the clip up, pull the ball off. Same at the other end. And we pop the new one on. Now you can see it stays up just fine. Pushes down like we'd like, rises up like we'd like. And the reason why I've changed them both is very simple. If one's gone, the other one's probably not far off going as well, because it's both done exactly the same number of openings and closings. So they're cheap enough, just change them both at the same time. And that is your job done. So that's it, nice and easy job, literally a few minutes to do. Thanks for watching, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and think about subscribing. Thanks for watching Weekends with Adam the Bloke.